Welcome to our introduction of NASA's Applied Remote Sensing Training Program, known as ARSET. The goal of the ARSET program is to increase the use of Earth observations in decision-making through training activities. We offer trainings free of cost and open to anyone. Our trainings are offered live or self-paced, and all of our past training materials and recordings are available online. Our trainings are offered at a range of levels, so you can choose a training based on your level of experience and need. We'll introduce you to the latest in satellites, sensors, methods, and tools, and show you how to apply these to real-world problems that fall under our thematic areas of disasters, agriculture, land management, water resources, climate, and health and air quality. In this video, we're going to take you on a brief tour of the ARSET website and show you how to access past training materials, find and register for a training, and receive updates on upcoming trainings and some other useful information. We'll start by going to the ARSET website at appliedsciences.nasa.gov/ARSET. As you scroll down the ARSET homepage, the first thing you will see is a list of our current and upcoming trainings. To the right, you'll see a menu with some information about ARSET, links for additional materials, and links for different types of applications you can learn about in our trainings. Clicking on one of our thematic areas will bring you to those trainings. If you scroll down past our open trainings, you will see the Find a Training button, which will bring you to a page where you can search through our entire list of trainings. Scrolling down to the bottom, you will see instructions on how to join our mailing list and a contact button. Follow the instructions and you will be added to our mailing list and will receive an email whenever a new training is open for registration. Let's go back and click on that Find a Training button. Here, you will see a search bar at the top where you can search for a training by title, topic, language, and program. Many ARSET trainings are offered in both English and Spanish, and a couple are even offered in English, Spanish, and French. The topic option can help you narrow down your search by thematic area. Let's search for climate trainings. We'll click Climate, English, and we'll search for ARSET trainings. Scrolling down, let's look at our training Introduction to NASA Resources for Climate Change Applications. Within each training page, you can find a description of the training with links to the agenda and a citation you can use if you apply this knowledge in your own research. Scrolling down, you will find all of the training materials, including video recordings of the live training sessions, presentation slides, exercises, homework, and transcripts of our question and answer sessions. At the very bottom, you will see a list of recommended prerequisites to help you prepare for this specific training. Navigating back to the ARSET homepage and clicking on an open training, you can scroll down and find where to register for an upcoming training. Upon registration, you will receive an email with more detailed instructions on how to attend the live training session. One notable thing to mention is that if you are able to attend a live training, you will also receive a certificate of completion. If you ever have any questions, feel free to contact us and we can give you further guidance. We hope ARSET trainings will help you succeed in creating great solutions for this year's Space Apps Challenge. Good luck!